Arjuna, who had carried the Mysuru Dasara howdah 8 times, died during the operation. The incident took place at Balekere forest in Yasalur mandal of Sakleshpur taluk. However, during the operation, the wild elephant stabbed Arjuna in the stomach and killed him. On November 24, radio collars were installed in the area and the evacuation of wild elephants began. Installation of radio collars for wild elephants. After retiring from Dasara, Arjuna was busy catching elephants. Radio collars are being installed in malnad parts of Hassan district.
Use of a radio collar. Where there are too many elephants in groups and there is a possibility of attacking humans. The installation of this radio collar will help in preventing it. Radio collar is applied to the elephants to know where the elephants are and how far away they are. The forest department staff will inform the public that elephants are in such areas and ask them to be careful. This radio collar works in such a way that it facilitates the dissemination of information.
The Forest Department has decided to install radio collars in the wake of the increasing conflict between wild animals and humans in the malnad region. Yasalur, Yasalur, Sakleshpur and Arjuna are the areas where the number of elephants is found in groups, and the Forest Department is installing radio collars as per the guidance of higher officials.
Arjuna, who was in a fight, even though he was drunk with a wild elephant. Here is the details given by the DFO on Dasara elephant death. Arjuna had carried a golden howdah weighing 750 kilograms 8 times between 2012 and 2019. He also participated in Dasara festivities. He had also participated in the Dasara festivities this year. December 4th, Dasara elephant Arjuna was killed in a fight during a wild elephant capture operation near Yasalur in Sakleshpur taluk of Hassan district. Divisional Forest Officer Mohan Kumar told about the fight between Arjuna and the wild elephant. The operation was launched on Monday morning. When we went to the spot where the elephants were, there were 12 elephants. The group of elephants was being led by a male. He said Arjuna had fought even though the wild elephant was in an inebriated state. Though the elephant was given anesthesia injection, it was not completely unconscious. When he was in a state of intoxication, he attacked the Sakanis. Meanwhile, other elephants and Forest Department personnel have fled. However, only Arjuna fought with it, he said.
The Mahout fell unconscious. Mahout Vinod is devastated by the death of Dasara elephant Arjuna. He fell unconscious and was taken to the hospital in an ambulance. Other Mahouts were also seen sobbing over the loss of Arjuna. Arjuna, who is now dead, is unable to go near the elephant. Wild elephants are still roaming around. We have informed our superiors about the incident. Further action will be taken after instructions from higher authorities, Mohan Kumar said. Arjuna saved many lives. Arjuna saved many lives by fighting a wild elephant in an inebriated state. It is said that a major disaster was averted as Arjuna fought. Even if there was a slight mistake, the lives of many staff would have been at stake. Sources said Arjuna's fight with the wild elephant enabled other elephants and staff to escape the attack.